Here I have the AMG Mercedes. This car looks really nice. 12 volts battery, pretty big size for this with LEDs. And really high quality sticker. I see bearings. The horn is right here. Dark windshield, mirrors right here as well. Beautiful car. This is highly detailed model. Hello YouTube, this is going to be a how to assemble Mercedes AMG G63 license, and looks really cool. Right here you have some of the information, SKU number, color, something else here, whoever produces this. So we're gonna take this out of the box, see what is in there, and get it going. Anthony's gonna help. It comes really well packed, really compact. We're going to remove all the parts, lay them all in the ground, and get it going with the manual. Some manual should be somewhere in here, and get going. This car looks really nice, highly detailed. Wheels, I see bearings in every single wheel. For such a small car, bearings is really an upgraded. Seats, windshield, all the parts laying out right here. The manual is really detailed, and we'll go through this as we assemble. Just a few parts, so I think this is gonna come out together really easy. Right here, like I always like to show, this is the size of the 12 volts battery. Pretty big size for this size of truck. This is the speed controller, 12 volts. The model number, motor right here, motor right there. And this is a two-wheel drive, so no motors in the front. But for this size of vehicle, I believe it's gonna be great. So let's get building. It's already taking shape and form right here. First step, installing the two wheels on one side, and then do the same for the other side. As you can see here, the shaft is going through the bearing. Just put your washer back in, and the self-threaded nuts. Gonna go right there. Then lock with this one. For the rear wheel, you need to hold the other nut, because if you don't, the shaft is gonna spin. In the front, you don't need to hold the other side. You can just tie it right there. No big deal, this is easy. Do your sticker installation, really high quality sticker, and then just install these caps over here, just like so. There is little tabs, you need to align those tabs, then just push in like that, just like that. By the way, this is beautiful wheels, really nice. The next step, we already saw the battery right here. You need to connect this. It comes with a tape, so you don't lose your wire. So just connect this wire to this clip right here, and then your electrical connection is gonna be ready. You also have a tape here. We're gonna do the steering wheel. You need to put this connector under the steering wheel, and then it's gonna be done as well. The steering wheel has no screws, it's just locks right here. So just put the connection in and push it downwards, and it's locked. It has tabs right here in the back where you activate the horn and everything, so it's gonna be in the back. Sometimes it is here in the top. This one is right here in the back. The connection, that's how it looks when it's done properly. And that's all the electrical connections. I assume if I turn this on, the horn is right here. Really nice. Everything looks like it's working already. Forward, reverse, and neutral. That's neutral. That's forward. Yeah, it's already working. Good. Let's keep on building. Just a few more parts. This is a really easy build. Look how many parts. Just a few screws here for all of this. It's gonna be quick. Now for the windshield, it's not yet assembled, so this just line up right here, and then it clicks in place. It's gonna be hard to do with one-handed, but believe me, will only click in place. And the back window, which also looks really nice, only aligns right here and then clicks in place. This is gonna be it for this. Now we're gonna do the seats. Seats are easy as well. Get the back cover. Once this part is installed, this one clicks right here. And then you come with this one from the front, line the hose over there, and then do this screw right here. Line the hose, do this screw and done. And then for the final parts will be the mirrors, which are also just clicked in place over here. And this back cover, which will be you'll have to screw in place over there. So this is gonna be it. Very simple. Hello YouTube. Here I have the AMG Mercedes G63 V8 turbo. Right on car, 12 volts, license. Look at the details on the wheels. Really nice headlamps with LEDs. This is highly detailed model. Comes equipped with a remote control for safety. It's one seated only. The doors open up. You have right here the mechanism to open the door. So we're gonna open this door as well. And look at the interior here. Lots of details, a sticker representing the speaker right here. From a control standpoint, you have on and off switch, forward, neutral, and backwards. One pedal for accelerator. If you press P on the remote control, then you stop for emergency braking. There is also a function on the steering wheel. Under the steering wheel, you have a button here for the horn. And because it's licensed, you have right here a sticker with AMG as well for the dashboard. You have a radio with Bluetooth connectivity and music. Lots of options. Dark, well, I'm gonna turn this off. Dark windshield. Really amazing. You can actually see through, but it's smoked. Really cool. Nice detailed mirrors right here as well. The V8 turbo. Wow, I didn't even remove the sticker. Oh, it says V8 B turbo or bi-turbo. Forward mode. Hey Anthony, do you think this car can go off-road? Let's check it out. It's a really tough incline here. Again, Anthony is 4 years old. This car is really meant for a kid his size or even smaller. Maybe even a little bit bigger. Let's go here. Going down the hill. Anthony. From a different angle here. Anthony coming straight at us. Beautiful car. This is such a nice car. Hey Anthony, let's go in the grass again. Uphill? Hmm? So this is a quick review. Anthony's checking out the new car. He's gonna play way more with it, but you could see drives really well in all of these different surfaces, going in the grass, in the pavements. All right, so this is it for this video review. Anthony will have a lot of fun with this car, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, bye.